Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dom. I just wanted to go ahead and do a empty house video or empty tour, semi-empty tour of the new house me and my man just moved in. As you guys know, we are expecting a new child and we finally moved in together. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys our progression so far in the house. I should have started this when we first moved in, but I wasn't thinking about it. And so we do have some stuff in here already, but as you guys can clearly see, it's nowhere near set up. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do it now and then just turn this into a progression series for YouTube. So this is our front. This is gonna lead upstairs, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the living room. We're currently working on it right now. So this is our couch. Super cute, right? All white. And then this is our living room here. Pretty big. So we have a new TV stand with an embedded fireplace on the inside, and it actually changes color. So it's an LED multi-strip TV stand and fireplace with real heat. So this is going to be super nice, especially for the Christmas season. So we plan on having a big 65-inch TV here. It's gonna be like the centerpiece of the living room. Everything else is gonna be symmetrical. The theme of our like dining room, kitchen, and everything like that is actually gonna be white, silver, black, and gold. So yes, this is the living room. When we scroll over here, we have our kitchen slash dining room. So we have all granite countertops with a island here. And this will be our kitchen. So just to run through our appliances really quick. So we have a new stove. It comes with a really nice microwave on top. We're changing all of our dishes and everything like that. So we went with squared versus circular. And we have gold silverware. I don't know who we think we are, but we're it. Okay, so then we have a new LG refrigerator. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but so it has a knock feature. And then we have our kitchen table here. Like I said, everything is fitting our theme of black, silver, white, and gold. And we actually got our furniture on a really good deal from some random person on OfferUp. I messaged them about these bar stools actually. It was four for maybe about $150. And then when we got there, it turns out that he sold furniture. So we ended up getting our kitchen table, these bar stools, and then I'll come back in here because I'm all over the place. We got our couch and our two-tier coffee table, all for $1,300, which is a really good deal. So we're gonna go ahead and continue the house tour. Like I said, dining and kitchen area. As you guys can see, we have a lot of work to do. And if I can show you guys outside, we have our outside area. It's a pretty decent space. It's gonna be really good for like barbecues, things like that. Our neighbors have a fig tree. Unfortunately, we just missed the fig season, so we didn't get a chance to try them, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and try that next year. So, and then we have the side of the house here. We're probably gonna put our garbage cans here and all of that stuff. But as you guys can see, this is our backyard. Not the biggest, but it's just two of us, so this is gonna be perfect. We're gonna get a grill, maybe some outside furniture, and then we are good to go. So now I'm going to go upstairs. And you guys can see our carpets are gray. So we have half carpet, half tile, and the rest of the house is carpet. So now we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. Right here to my right is we have our first half bathroom. We don't have anything in here. So we've only had this place for about a week maybe. So we still have a lot of room to work with. So we have our stairs here, really, really high ceiling. Absolutely love it. And then when you go up the stairs, before you all the way make it to the top, turn around, boom. We have a nice stained glass mosaic here. Absolutely love it. And we're gonna go this way. So this is our hallway. And unfortunately the rooms don't have light yet, so it's gonna be kind of dark. I was trying to get here earlier in the morning, but the way traffic is didn't happen for me. So this is our first room. And sorry guys, I'm like really tired. I'm like 7 months pregnant, so those stairs are like murder for me. So this is the first room. It's gonna be a guest room. Pretty nice size. I'm actually gonna turn this into my office because like I said, it's just me and my man, so we don't need a whole bunch of space. No one's gonna be living with us. We don't expect guests or anything like that, so I'm gonna turn this room into my office. So continue down the hallway. We have hallway closet, you know, for toiletries, tissues, blankets, towels, things like that. Very standard. Go to our right, just a wall, but we have our laundry room. So this house did come with a washer and a dryer. And these are actually pretty new. They're about 5 years old, so they're not like terribly new, and they're still in really good condition. So anything we didn't have to buy, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna go to the second. This is our full bathroom. Turn these lights on. Okay. So walk through here. We have, of course, the toilet. We have the bath, shower head. Me personally, I do not like tubs with glass doors because when I want to take a bath, I feel claustrophobic. So me personally, I would like to do without the glass, plus it's extra cleaning. We're gonna turn this way, and then we have a his and hers kitchen sink with some really nice light fixtures. This house is very modern, very nice cabinets on the inside. Very clean. And then we have marbled countertops. So we added this little fixture here, but as I said, we've only been here for about a week. We still have a lot of moving to do. So this is gonna be my man's office. I'll just come over here. So, very nice size room. Gray carpets on the inside, everything was really clean. And he's actually setting up his other desk right now. So that's what they're doing downstairs because I don't want them to bring all the trash and stuff up here because I'm the one who's cleaning, so it's a lot for me. And as you can see, I'm already out of breath and all I've been doing is walking around the house. So I don't know what he's gonna have in the closet because we have a really nice feature in our room. So I'm actually gonna go there now. Leave the best for last. So you walk up the stairs. We have my office, his office, the bathroom, the laundry. Boom, master bedroom. Okay, so let me turn on all these lights really quick. Cool. So let me see if I can get all of this in here. So this is a pretty nice size room so far as well. The plan that we have for this room, so our bed's gonna be here. It's gonna be along this window. And then our TV is actually gonna be across from us. And then our baby stuff is probably either gonna go here on the other side of the bed or on this side because this side is more open. I haven't really decided yet because we're getting a very extra bougie bed. So when it comes in and we get everything set up, I'm gonna show you guys. So this definitely will build a series. So now the best part, the bathroom. Oh my God. So super basic toilet. Okay, nothing special. But over here though, like, do you see this tub? This is gonna be super fun. I've always wanted to have like a spa type tub where I can just sit in and actually fit. Like I don't feel cramped or anything like that. I can come in here, have my little bubble bath, have my little wine or whatever after the baby, of course, and then go from there. And then we have our shower. Now he wanted a rain style shower. So basically with that, water falls from the top and then you have the handheld there too. Me personally, I don't like a rain shower because I don't like to have my hair wet. It's very annoying and it takes a very long time to get it to act right. But he installed it, so whatever. That's why he got the one with the handheld, so I can use that. But yeah, this shower did not come with the rain attachment. My man actually installed that. This was the original right here. And this is just like, hold on. There we go. And this is just a standard, you know, shower head. Okay, so then we go over here. Huge vanity. His and her sinks. I love this vanity. Like, oh my God. Like, I'm not gonna be doing my makeup in here because I have my makeup table. It's gonna be my office. But if I didn't, trust me, I would take over this whole bathroom. What? Don't even play. So then, one of the last features for our room is a walk-in closet. And let me see how I can get all the way in here. And it's a pretty nice size. And so the back is a mirror, which is gonna be great because I was worried about like, I don't have any full body mirrors. What am I gonna do? I would show you guys I'm looking ratchet, but y'all can see that though. Anyways, and then the front side, oh, well, there I am. Hey y'all. Yeah, see my little belly. Front side is also a body mirror. So, like I said, a lot of counter space. There we go. A lot of his and her counter space there. And like I said, we haven't really done that much. We're just trying to get in the big furniture because we don't live together right now. And I live like almost an hour away. So just trying to get my stuff over here is a mess. And I don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna go down the stairs again. I would show the front of the house, but you know, we got stalkers and weird people, social media engineering. So I'm not gonna show you that. I can show you my garage, but it's not gonna be all that. Front door. We have a lot of light switches in here. A lot. So we definitely need some decorating because we got a lot of bare walls. So we'll figure something out. We're actually not supposed to put holes in the wall, but with commando strips, there's a way around that. So, turn the light on. Anyways, so this is our garage. 2-door garage. A lot of extra space in here. And then we're also gonna put up some racks and everything to I just have stuff on the side, and the neighborhood we live in is actually like really, so that's pretty much it. You know, in a couple of weeks or whatever, when all this is done, we will do a second video and go from there. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.